Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a video tutorial sharing the making of an altered pocket watch. For the base I have used a HOLTZ pocket watch and I have customized it to make it a very unique personalized gift. Before we move on further, please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Coming to the supplies used, I am using this HOLTZ pocket watch base. This is 2 inch in diameter. Pattern paper from HOLTZ as well. This is vintage theme, has lots of clocks and other vintage paper in it. Metal charms, I've been collecting them over the time from many craft stores. I'm just keeping them handy. I will be using as and when I proceed with the project. For the glue, I'm using glossy accents. Let's start. I'm carefully opening the metal base. This comes in 2 pieces and snap fit to close the pocket watch. I'm using the metal base as a template to cut my pattern paper. I'm just trying to select which pattern paper to use as the background for my watch. I think the most difficult part of any project is to select the pattern paper when it comes to me. So I'm trying to figure out which background to use for my watch. Once I select which pattern paper to use, I am carefully tracing it over roughly with the metal base as a template. I will be then cutting it out. Initially, I prefer cutting it out a little larger than necessary, and then I'll slowly be reducing the size so that it snugly fits into the metal base. I'm very careful. I don't want to over trim it because I don't want my base to just fall off. Also because I will not be sticking this base to the metal base, sticking this paper to the metal base, because that way I can keep changing the themes in my pocket watch if I want to. I'm trimming the paper in very thin strips because I just don't want to over trim it. Once I'm happy with my base, I'm taking distress ink and just distressing the edges just to give the base a little depth and a vintage finish to it. I'm just lightly sponging over some distress ink over the edges. This is a very simple step, but it adds lots of detail to your project and gives a depth to the background. I'm now selecting some words from this HOLTZ Big Chat booklet, where you have small stickers of various commonly used words. I'm picking up words with a white background. Today for this project I am choosing the words discover yourself. I'm trimming the excess so that it fits snugly, and I'm trying to arrange the words into the watch so that they don't overlap each other. I'm shading the edges with the blue archival ink. I wanted to bring some blue into my project, so I'm shading the words with blue archival ink so that they stand out from the rest of the background. I'm shading it with some red archival ink as well. I didn't have any particular plan as to how to go on with this project, but I just went with the flow of my mind, and I really liked how it turned out. Once I was done with all the shading, I'm now sticking up all the layers together with the help of glossy accents. I choose glossy accents because it is strong. It is a very strong glue, and it also dries clear. I'm now carefully sticking up all my layers together. I didn't go on with too many metal embellishments. Just chose the initials of the person I was gifting it to, and a cute little metal magic lamp embellishment. I think these two and the little words speak a lot, so I preferred to just leave it like that. I'm done with the adhering all the layers, and the glue is dry. I'm now taking some of these dotties or sparkling dotties from Little Birdie and just sticking them here and there. I've chosen black and gold to go with my vintage theme. I'm just sticking a few of them and then just filling them loosely with the rest. That's it, my pocket watch is ready. I'll be pairing it up with a metal chain. You can see the close-ups of the watch here. I've also made a box to gift this pocket watch. It was an old watch box that I have altered it with decoupage. I'll be sharing the video tutorial soon. I hope you enjoyed this video and I was of some inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos of craft and card making. Also follow me on all my social media handles where I share my work with you. Thank you.